Here we are. We're going to draw a perpendicular from a line to a point. So here's our line, here's our point. Just move the compass a little bit so you can see the line better. The first thing we want to do on this is to try and create a similar position to the previous video where we were trying to find the perpendicular bisector. And the first thing we want to do here is actually create a line that's where this point is obviously going to be equal distance between 2 points on this line. And so what we do to do that is we draw an arc from that point along this line. So we use our compasses to do that. Now, I always reckon it's good to make it happen so that the point is already on one of the points on the end points in this line, and then you can get quite a nice compass. You can get it going through one end of the line, you get a bigger arc and you get more accuracy. The greater the arcs you can draw in these questions, the more accuracy you have. If I'd moved this compass in and got a much smaller arc, it would be much more difficult to be accurate, especially when you're drawing it. So the bigger you can make your compass and the arcs, the more accurate you can be. So now these 2 points here and here, okay, let's just put a pen on those so we can see where they are more easily. That point there and this point here are both equal distance from there. So now what we've got to do is just draw a perpendicular bisector that goes through there. Let's take our compass and move it so that the compass point is here, and we're going to spin it round so that it goes through this point here. Let's make sure it goes through the middle of that point. There we go. Now we can draw an arc from there. And if we do the same on the other side, if we've done this well, in theory, it should go for the same point, which it does. And here we go, we've got that there. So these are all our construction lines we need. So here we have, from here to here, we have drawn the perpendicular bisector from there to there. So let's just put our line in, which gives us that perpendicular bisector. There we go. There's our line that goes through these 2 points. It forms a right angle here and cuts this in half. But actually all we needed to do was a perpendicular from that line to here to this point, and it certainly provides us that. So let's just recap. To do this, start off with your point, create 2 points equal distance from it, then find the perpendicular bisector of those 2 points, draw the line through there, and that line will be at right angles to this line and goes through that point.